Hello, this is your cameraman, Daniel Drupski, for this last and final update of that garage over on Laurel Boulevard in Pottsville, Pennsylvania. Right now it's about 4:50 p.m. in the afternoon, and it's still light out there till about 5:30 or 5:45. And today's date is February 1st, 2023. Since 4 weeks ago, they've been doing like this a project since day one, on January 2nd of this year. Now, the last previous video I showed you was when the bulldozer was being moved. That's this past Monday night. That was in the previous video. And I'll show you when they moved it. Yep. Everything's gone. And right now the temperature is about in the low 30s. 33, 34 to be exact. Yep. And here it is. The only thing we got left is nothing, but the trees are still remain. Yep. Now, how does it feel just having without the bulldozers and trucks and everything? We were going through all those previous videos these past weeks and days. For 4 weeks. So I hope you enjoyed this very short update video of the aftermath of having like a bulldozer trucks disappearing. Yep. I hope you had a good time watching through the construction videos. Some of it was long, some of it was short. Yep. We'll see you next time I give you updates around all over Pennsylvania. And please try to comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like any of those previous construction videos about this project over there. Soon in the future I might make a short video about putting go karts in there for like the racing. That's what they do around by every spring. Yep. Until then, it's your cameraman Daniel Drupski signing off, and we'll see you next time I give you some more updates around the whole neighborhood of Pottsville, Pennsylvania. Enjoy these videos. Good night, folks, and enjoy them. Bye.